Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo Tango.
We are going to work in a step that you can bring directly to the Milonga, to the social dancing.
How fun! Something that you can learn today and dance tonight.
Before we initiate with the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell for notification, and leave a like if you're enjoying this.
Thank you so much, and now let's go to the video. Okay, here we are on the dance floor and we're going to show you this useful step that you can use tonight at the Milonga.
Let us show you first with the dynamic and then you are going to follow us so you can learn this. Very simple figure but very useful if done properly.
Okay, let's rotate so you can see this leaders version, followers version step.
We are going to do first for the leaders, side step 1. From here we are going to do a rock step, opening with this association, so make sure you do not close the right shoulder blade, and side step, rocking very gentle, we are not moving the head, and from here is the thing for the leader, that we are going to re-step with our left and feet together. When we feet together we are going to open a little bit diagonal our torso. Now from here we feet together, change the leg, and from here we're going to proceed to the resolution in a diagonal position. Front, side, and we align only when we feet together. It means align means that we were diagonal and we come back to the front.
Good, for the followers, we're going to start with the right leg to the side, transfer weight and rock step with the left in the back, side, and moving the right leg a little bit to the back, not much, and cross front. When I cross front, I don't put the heel down. Later with transfer body weight, I can do a little touch with the right to go to resolution, back and side and together. Of course, in the resolution, we keep that angle that the leader is taking. You can use this step to navigate, to stay in one place until everybody moves from your way and then go to the spot that you like.
One thing that we have to make sure that we do this step with, I like calling it 3D movement, so which means with this association. So it doesn't have to be square like a robot. The more we disassociate and we play, the more we play with that, the better. So let us show you this one more time, kind of a slow motion.
Okay, wait. Before we keep going to the second part, we have something to let you know.
Make sure to visit our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango, if you are serious about learning, because we have a lot of courses. And if you are going to the Milongas like you are watching now in this video, we have courses in Milonguero style, salon style, all different styles. Even if you are just going to Tango Nuevo Milongas, we also have courses in Tango Nuevo.
This is all on our website, miriamleonardotango.com, and it's called Online Tango Training.
You can be part of our online tango community, or also you can purchase them as a downloadable course.
Okay, let's go to the second part of the video.
And we are going to be doing side step. From here, if you notice, we are opening the right shoulder blade for the leaders, so she doesn't keep going there. Rock step, and at this moment I do my rock step a little shorter than her so I can re-step and get farther apart. Tac. Why? This will create a little bit of apilado, leaning towards me, and the lead for the cruzada will be much nicer. From here we rotate and we proceed to the resolution in a diagonal position like we were talking about, and here I just want to rotate to come back to the line of dance and change the leg and do on any other figure.
Let me do it one more time for the followers and I will also work on the dynamic. So we do side, rock step, front. If you notice here, I have the right shoulder open all the time. So from here we do a little touch and we syncopate the resolution. Quick, slow.
Very good. Let us rotate so you can see the embrace from the other side. Chuki chin.
So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. So we are syncopating. Practices. This is a rock step. Going back, side, front for the followers. You can use it to stay on the same place when you need it, and then run to the next spot.
If you're in this part of the video already, it means you are serious about learning. Thank you very much for your support.
Yes, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like, share with your friends, and subscribe with notification. That really helps.
We really look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Goodbye.